Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best acoustic guitars for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Moki 36 inches acoustic guitar. This guitar, ideal for beginners, includes extras like picks, a travel case, a digital tuner, and picks. Steel strings let you easily reach the upper notes, and the gorgeous spruce top gives it a warm, rich sound. The fretboard is of rosewood, and the neck is solid wood to slide your fingers without experiencing too much pain or discomfort. Plus, this model from Moki is lightweight and inexpensive, so that it won't be too hard on your wallet either. Moving on at number 4, we have the Enya NOA Acoustic Guitar. Acoustic guitar for beginners is the Enya NOA Go Carbon Fiber Acoustic Guitar, 1/2 size beginner. This guitar combines the traditional look of an acoustic guitar with modern performance advantages. It's crafted from carbon fiber and laminated spruce materials, making it lightweight and durable, perfect for taking on gigs or jamming. Thanks to the advanced SRT bridge system, it also has a classic sound, which provides a full body tone when strumming. In addition, the necks of the guitar are comfortable, so you won't have any hand cramps after playing for long hours. And, because it's a quarter-size guitar, it's perfect for younger players looking to learn without buying a bigger instrument right away. At number 3, we have the Pyle Beginner Acoustic Guitar. When finding the best acoustic guitars for beginners, you can't go wrong with the Pyle Classical Acoustic Guitar. It's a great all-around choice for those just starting and features fantastic tonal quality for its price range. You'll get a full, rich sound from its mahogany body and one of the most attractive designs of any classical guitar. The Pyle is also very comfortable to play, thanks to its 40-inch scale length, padded neck, and smooth fingerboard. All factors make it a perfect instrument. It has additional features such as built-in electronics, an adjustable string action height, and a smooth finish. Moreover, this classical acoustic guitar is ready for hours of practice, so you can become the musician you've always wanted to be. At number 2, we have the Joymusic Blueburst Acoustic Guitar. It's great for traveling because it's relatively lightweight. It only weighs around 6.5 pounds, and has a cutaway body design, so you can easily reach those upper frets. But that's not all. The best part is that it's affordable but not cheaply made, so you won't have to break the bank while learning. The adjustable truss rod lets you adjust the action, and the neck shape and curvature help with ergonomics when strumming chords. So if you're starting your acoustic guitar journey, this beginner package from Joymusic is worth checking out. And finally at number 1, we have the YMC38 inches Coffee Acoustic Guitar. It's made with high-quality tone woods like spruce and mahogany, giving it a bright, mellow sound for strumming and fingerstyle playing. Plus, it's got a nicely rounded neck profile that works well with different hand sizes, so you can easily transition between chords and notes. With its classic vintage styling and easy play body design, the YMC38 inches acoustic guitar makes an excellent choice for any new or aspiring guitarist. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.